Porta Nails Inc. comes to you with a quality management system that is ISO 9001 certified and made in America products that'll bring you the very finest results to all your hardwood flooring installation challenges. The newly designed Porta Nailer Hammerheads from P&I. The industry standard in hardwood flooring installation just gets better and better. Even easier to use than before. The Porta Nailer Hammerhead is now designed as one tool that'll do it all. Faster, tighter, better. Both the new Porta Nailer Hammerhead and the PORTAMATIC Hammerhead 2 pneumatic version employ P&I's original preferred seating system. Another P&I exclusive, the shark-like serrated tooth nail design, available in 2, 1.5, and 1 3/16 inch lengths, provides a tighter, longer hold for your hardwood floor. No other system sinks its teeth tighter into the job and never lets go. From its tough protective case, the Porta Nailer comes prepared to tackle all your flooring installation challenges. At any skill level, whether you're a professional or a do-it-yourself installer. And the optional face nailer makes starting the job that much easier. The newly designed Porta Nailer also comes with a tough, custom-designed hammer that's perfectly balanced and weighted to drive nails faster and easier. Porta Nailers are as tough as the Porta nails they put into your floor so easily. Made with heat-treated steel and high-strength aluminum, your Porta Nailer Hammerhead is lightweight and built to take a beating for many years to come. Even the nails are superior in design. Patented non-splitting Porta nails are developed for the longest, tightest fit. Plus, the same length nail is used regardless of whether your tongue and groove flooring is 3/8 or 33/32 of an inch thick. Shorter nails of 1.5 inches and 1 3/16 are available, should your application require that the nail not penetrate the underlayment. And get this, not only is the Porta Nailer Hammerhead easier to load, it holds up to 50% more nails than most nailers. The action is about to begin, but before we start, check out the Porta Nailer's protective underside. These non-marring bases protect your floor from scratches and staining. Note, extra care should be taken to protect the finish when nailing a pre-finished product. Even the hammer has a special rubber cap to prevent damage and marring as you tap and seat your flooring into place. Before we show you the 7 steps to the perfect flooring installation, always follow the installation instructions provided by the flooring manufacturer. Don't forget your protective gear. Safety glasses, shoes, and gloves are smart no matter what kind of woodworking you're doing. An inspection of your nailing equipment is also a good idea to ensure it's operating properly and that your Porta Nailer has the correct shoe for the thickness of the flooring you're installing. For step 1, clean the subfloor before we roll out the builder's 15-pound asphalt felt building paper lapped 2 to 4 inches along the edge seams. This helps keep out dust, retards moisture movement from below, and helps prevent squeaks during dry seasons. Direction of the flooring should be at right angles to the joists. Next, snap down some chalk lines. This will help us make sure the floor pattern will be parallel to the walls. And don't forget to allow approximately 3/4 of an inch between the wall and the flooring for expansion. Lay the first strip along the straight line, with the tongue of the flooring facing away from the wall. Using the Porta Nailer with its accessory face nailing shoe sold separately, drive nails through the top surface of the flooring. Face nailing can also be accomplished by hand nailing, using a 16 to 18 gauge finish nail or a finish nailer. Make sure that you countersink the nail and conceal using wood putty. Next, we rack the flooring. This simply means placing all the flooring into position ahead of time so that all the joints will be staggered at least 6 inches apart when nailed. Work from the left side of the room to the right and then repeat. Now we face nail into place the second and third strips as we did in step 3 until we're far enough away from the wall to position the Porta Nailer so we can begin blind nailing. That means nailing through the tongue of the flooring. To make sure the joints are tight, it may be necessary to clamp the second and third strips to the first, but only if the material is slightly bowed. Think tight, and you'll do it right all the way. Nailing the rest of the flooring will become faster and easier as you proceed. Designed to be used with gloves, even the hammer has deep-cut grooves to help you maintain a good grip. Use the rubber end of the hammer to tap the flooring tongue side into place so that the groove fits snugly against the tongue of the previous row. With the Porta-Nailer Hammerhead at your command, you'll hammer home the Porta nails with ease. A firm hit to the ram of the nailer is all it takes. It does not have to be a hard blow. The ratcheting action of the ratchet assembly prevents the ram from returning to its full upward position until your nail is properly seated. Watch this. Here's what happens to the ram if a nail is not properly seated. See how it stops the return action? This lets you know that you need to hit the ram again and drive the nail to its proper position. It means you can also be assured the nail has been properly seated and the floor is being tightly driven together. We call it preferred seating. Space nails every 10 to 12 inches and near the ends 1 to 3 inches. An effort should be made to hit a joist as often as possible. Once you've installed most of the flooring with the new 402 Porta nailer, then simply change to the face nailer shoe and put down the last 6 strips for a job well done. Again, if this accessory is not available, you can face nail by hand or use a finish nailer to complete the job. Next are some tips to make the job go even smoother. For starters, you don't have to overpower the Porta nailer. Gripping the nailer too tightly and making your body rigid can cause you to move the nailer when you try and strike the ram with a hammer. You'll be a much more efficient nailer by using a loose, comfortable stance. Also, just use a normal blow to drive the nail. Remember, with the Porta nailer, you can always take a second or third stroke to properly nail the nail if needed. You don't need to go back and set nails by hand with the Porta nailer. You want your flooring to last a lifetime, but it's only as good as the installation. That's the beauty of the Porta nailer. It allows the nails to be properly seated with minimal splitting to the flooring tongue for a tight floor. Another advantage to the Porta nailer total nailing system, it handles all thicknesses of flooring materials. It works well over wooden joists or concrete slab construction. As these drawings over wood illustrate, the nail is driven at a 45-degree angle. This angle secures the tongue and groove flooring to the subfloor. If your installation is over concrete slab construction or an in-floor hydronic heating system and you need to avoid nail penetration, PNI offers shorter nail lengths. A great deal of thought has gone into the long-term usage of your Porta nailer. If needed, Porta nailer hammerheads are easy to disassemble and clean between jobs. Complete instructions for cleaning are in the instruction manual. Even in the unlikely event that your nailer needs rebuilding, PNI can provide parts and offers a remanufacture service at a nominal fee. The Porta nailer hammerhead sets the standard for the tightest, most reliable installation of your hardwood flooring. Your Porta nailer hammerhead also offers a wide range of varying product combinations, accessories, and system configurations to allow the system that fits your exact hardwood installation requirements. For example, the 402 Porta nailer hammerhead comes complete with an extension handle, hammer, wrenches, and a rugged carry case for nailing 5/8, 3/4, and 33/32 inch thick flooring. The 403 kit has all the accessories included: face nail shoe, shoe for nailing 3/8 and 9/16 inch flooring, an angle shoe base for nailing over concrete slab construction, nail set, hammer, and a rugged carry case. The 404 Porta face nailer comes complete with hammer, wrenches, and carry case for face nailing only, easily converted to an angle nailer, shoes sold separately. Other accessories include accessory shoes and master packs of the patented Porta nail. An innovator of superlative tools, Porta Nails also offers the PORTAMATIC Hammerhead 2. This pneumatic version of the Porta nailer hammerhead works with pneumatic components to make the big jobs even easier. The 421 PORTAMATIC Hammerhead 2 comes complete with hammer, face nail shoe, and a rugged carry case for nailing 3/4 and 33/32 inch flooring. A shoe for nailing 9/16 inch flooring is sold separately. The Model 461 Flooring Stapler is a versatile pneumatic hardwood flooring tongue and groove stapler for 3/8 and 1/2 inch wood laminate flooring. The 461 drives staples at a 45-degree angle every time with 1/4-inch crown, 1-inch 18-gauge galvanized staples. The 461 comes complete with wrenches and a rugged carry case. Also, check out Porta-Nail's entire line of superior quality fasteners and discover the highest standards in the fastening frontier. The Porta-Nailer Hammerhead and the PORTAMATIC Hammerhead 2, plus 2 Porta-Nail tools and dealer information can be found at our website at www.portanails.com. Log on today for ordering information or give us a call. Porta-Nail Inc., the originator of the Porta-Nailer Hammerhead hardwood flooring installation system. This presentation is a simple guideline for proper nailing technique. Should you encounter a situation not covered here or have additional questions regarding Porta-Nailers and their use, please contact us at 1-800-634-9281. Should you require detailed information regarding wood flooring installation, we suggest you contact the National Oak Flooring Manufacturers Association at 901-526-5016 or visit their website at www.nofma.org. Thanks for your interest in the Porta-Nail family of fine products. Contact us anytime and hammer home the quality.